According to Drive Tesla, Tesla has opened its first service center in the Philippines. This facility, operational since late last year, serves as Tesla's headquarters in the country. It includes a showroom, service and delivery operations, and a supercharger station. The grand opening was attended by President Ferdinand Marcos Jr., who supports Tesla's investment and hopes for future local manufacturing. The Philippine government is promoting electric vehicles through the Electric Vehicle Industry Development Act, offering tax incentives and duty-free importation of charging stations. Executive Order No. 62 also reduces tariffs on electric cars and motorcycles to zero until 2028. Marcos highlighted the nation's goal for electric vehicles to achieve a 50% market share by 2040. Tesla's entry into the Philippines comes as the Southeast Asian electric vehicle market grows, with competitors like VinFast expanding their presence. The Philippines is positioning itself as a regional hub for electric vehicle manufacturing, bolstered by a skilled workforce and a newly inaugurated battery production facility. You are listening to UON News.